It's Trivia here, and in this video, we will learn the basic on how to use and get started with Microsoft Excel 2019. Step 1. Click the Start button, then choose Excel from your installed applications. Step 2. Explore the Microsoft Excel 2019 window. This is the File tab for you to save as, or open a new document, print, and others. Then Home tab for you to manage how to copy and paste the contents of the clipboard. Format Painter. And also to manage the different types of fonts and sizes. Example, bold, italic, underline, crossword if you want to view the correction. And this one is the bottom border where we can apply borders to the currently selected cells. This one is to highlight your word with color. And this one is to change the text color. This big letter A is increase font. This is text effects if you want to put some style in your text to make it more stylistic. And D is how to manage the alignment of from top align, middle align, bottom align text left, align text right, or center the text. Decrease indent, increase indent. This is the orientation where you can rotate text to a diagonal angle or vertical orientation. Wrap text. Merge and center. These used to create labels that span multiple columns. General. This is the number format. Choose how the values in its cell are displayed as percentage, as currency, as a date or time, decimal places, and etc. Conditional formatting, format as table, and cell styles where you can define your own cell styles. Insert, delete, format where you can insert, delete, and change the row height or column width in organized sheets. AutoSum. Display the sum of the selected cells directly after the selected cells. Sort and filter. You can arrange data so that it is easier to analyze. Find and select where specific text, formatting, or type of information within the document. Now we'll go to Insert tab. Insert Pivot Table if you want to summarize data. Click here to select all. Then click Pivot Table. Here you can have two options. Either you want to place the pivot table on new worksheet or existing worksheet. For us, we will use different worksheet. Here in the pivot fields, you can choose which fields you want to summarize. Here you can just easily drag and drop the fields you want to manage. Automatically, it will compute the results. Just drag the numbers to the values. Next, you have the illustrations, wherein you can insert pictures from a file, clip art, shapes, screen art, and screenshots. Next, you have charts, column used to compare values across categories. Insert text box that can be positioned anywhere on the page. Next is symbol. You can insert equation for mathematical equations. Insert symbol to insert characters that are not on your keyboard. Here you can use different themes format. Theme color. Fonts. This is where you set your margin. Orientation of the document, portrait or landscape, the size or paper. Some of the commands here are for advanced users, but as beginners, you can explore and do trial and error. Formula. Here we will be using the function of text to column, although the name of the function is text. So some of you may be assuming that this can be used only for letters. Well, it's also applicable to numbers, dates, and time. Text to column function is to split a single column of the text into multiple columns. Here, we will separate the date and time from one cell column to two columns here. So first you need to select the whole column and click the data tab and select text to column. Then choose delimited. As you can see here, there are different types of delimiters tab. Semicolon, comma, space, and others. Then click next. Here in the column data format, we will use the default. Then click finish. Now it's separated into two columns. Next is I'm going to show you on how to apply formula to different dates and different columns. One example is that we can use to get the age from the date of birth to current date. In simple mathematics, it's just subtraction from the current date. But here in Excel, there's specific code for each operation. To get the age, just apply the formula to the next seller column. Put Y if you see by year, or M if you want by month, or D if you want by days. If you want to apply the same formula to all cells, just click this cell, then look for the plus sign symbol. Left click hold, then bring it down. Thank you for watching, and to know more about tips, just click subscribe button. We are Tech Tips Trivia channel. Have a good day!